This week, we are going to revise with you Chapter 2, Equation of Straight Line. We will focus on a particular question. We'll give you the equation of L1, and then we want you to find the equation of another straight line L2, which passes through a point and perpendicular to L1. So we need to do 3 steps. Step 1, we need to find the slope of L1. Step 2, we need to find the slope of L2. And then step 3, we want to find the equation of L2. Let's get started. How to find the slope of L1? We're given the equation. So the key point is we need to make y be the subject. For this question, we will leave the 6y on the left and then move the 2x and minus 3 to the right. That is negative 2x plus 3. And then we divide the 6 to the right. Then we get the slope already. The slope would be the number, the coefficient in front of x, and divided by 6. This is the slope. Negative 2 over 6, which is negative 1 over 3. Here, actually, with another number, 3 over 6, this is the y-intercept. However, it is not used in this question, so we may skip it. After we find the slope of L1, we can find the slope of L2 by a keyword here, perpendicular. Perpendicular. Since L1 is perpendicular to L2, so we have the two slopes multiplied together equals to negative 1. Since the slope of L1 is actually negative 1 over 3, so we can substitute negative 1 over 3. And then we move the negative 3 to the right. And then we will get the slope of L2 equals to negative 1 times negative 3, which is 3. Okay? So we have got the slope of L2. Then we go to step 3. We need to find the equation. In order to find the equation, we can need this help by a guide. Waterloo here, Waterloo. This guide can help you to find the equation by just substituting this a point, the y-coordinate of a point, and here the x-coordinate of a point, and then you substitute the slope here, then you will get the equation. So we look at this example. We've got a point here, 4 and negative 5. So we substitute the 4. This is the x coordinate, so we go down here, the x coordinate of a point, and then the y coordinate of the point is negative 5. Substitute here the y coordinate of the point, and then we got the slope of L2, and we substitute here the 3. Basically, the equation is done. We will write the equation here, and then we move the denominator to the right in order to make it nicer, and then we multiply it by using rainbow method. And lastly, we just move, because the 3x is positive, the coefficient is positive on the right, so we move everything to the right. We got 3x minus 12 minus y minus 5. So the final answer will be 3x minus y minus 17 equals 0. And this is the equation that we want.